Better, better. I feel lighter because it's earlier this morning.
But your left or right leg is short.
Weekly, I do have regular headaches.
Very good. And feel better. I need kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So sobrang thank you.
All right, good morning. Welcome to our clinic. What can we help you with? What brings you in?
Since 2017, 2016, I've been having persistent back pains. It hasn't really gone away since then. I've been having a lot of pain management of medicines, but not really helps. So it also affects how I feel with my legs, consistent tingling, numbing areas that travel sometimes to my arms and those. And weekly, I do have regular headaches. And I noticed that I easily get fatigued from a lot of sitting, especially these days in the pandemic where work from home setups are adapted. Yeah.
So we're going to do some range of motion first. Go and tuck your chin towards your chest. Does that cause any pain, discomfort at all?
It does with
In your back there? Okay. I'll look at the ceiling. Okay, now. Different there? Yeah. Some pain? Not much. Okay, back to neutral. Turn left and right. Yeah, this is okay. Okay, all right. Now we're going to test your back. Yeah. Different there?
Yeah.
Is there any
some pressure in the middle?
okay. Any pain on your legs at all?
Here.
Okay. All right, on the right side. Okay, now we'll go to the sides. Please.
I definitely feel some pain here.
Okay, now we're going to have you on the table. So I don't know if you're aware of it, but your left or right leg is short. About an inch. A couple spots here. So let me get this moving for you, okay? Right here first. Take a deep breath in for me. Roll all the way down. Just put your head right on it. There you go. Nice. Good. Okay, let's go face down. Legs are nice and even. You feel better?
Yeah.
Yeah, your legs are even. Here. Turn left and right.
I definitely feel taller.
Sorry?
I definitely feel taller.
Feel taller? Okay. Any difference there?
Sort of. Here there was some pressure here, but sort of gone.
Good? Yeah. Good. Side. Okay. Now turn this one. Good.
Yeah, I do feel because whenever I walk, I do feel some discomfort. But when I was on the table, I do feel some relief from here, in this area. Plus, I feel like the cloud was lifted from my head.
Yeah, how's your headache? Yeah.
Better, better. I feel lighter because earlier this morning was sort of heavy, dizzy. I do feel better.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you.